straight for 13
Good
minutes.
morning,
State
you
Route
guys.
44.
Anyway, I hope you all are having a good start to your Memorial Day weekend. So anyway, today will be the third attempt. I'm on my way to Edwin, and we are going to basically go ahead and install my new wheels today. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot contain my excitement. This is so crazy because if you really think about it, it's been a long time coming, right? I mean, it's been here for, the wheels have been here for a good number of maybe 2 months. We ordered it 3 months ago, and we are now to the point of, let's get this over with. I am so tired of waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Literally, it's just been one thing after another, holidays and all that stuff, and the wrong wheels being sent. Then they sent it without the hubcentric rings. So me and Edwin took it into our own hands and just bought hubcentric rings online, as well as new lug nuts, since the dealer did not come through for us. I'm on my way to Edwin now, and my goodness, what a beautiful day. It's a little warm, but hey, you know what? It's Florida. So anyway, I'll pick you guys up when we are there. But can we just for a second admire the drivability of this car? My goodness, my goodness. Lexus IS 500. Woohoo! That sound, boy, I tell you what, every time it never fails to make me smile. Oh my gosh. Woo! All right, boys, third time's a charm. Third time is a charm. And look who's back in the house. The man himself, Mr. Fitment Factory, Edwin Berry. Yeah. Bro, what? No, dude. In case you didn't catch it, Edwin said not the proudest moment right now, but bro, none of it's our fault. None of it is our fault. The wheels are here, boys. You guys saw the photo on the last vlog. So yeah, so we got everything now. We have our hub-centric rings, our own hub rings, which the guy didn't send, which he was supposed to. Now, hey, on the last vlog, Blue IS 500 said we should call out the dude, but
problem is it's a vendor.
That's what I said. It's a vendor, not a dealer.
Yeah,
totally different.
It's not a dealership. It's a wholesale vendor. We have commercial accounts.
Yes, correct.
I trust these guys pretty well.
Correct. I think it was just.
And this is something that, because they didn't have what we were looking for.
I said they used to deal in bulk, right? I mean they sell bulk. They don't sell individuals, only to.
They sell sets.
They sell sets, but only to certain individuals.
Right. Like,
yeah.
You have dealer accounts that you establish with them to go ahead and be able to buy from them.
Correct. And so
usually they're freaking awesome. I never have problems with them. We've done the Tundra.
Yes, correct.
Turnaround.
Correct.
We've done so many other different things without a problem. And this was a vendor that they want to start having a relationship with. And my guy kind of just told me, hey, we're in talks with these guys. They got a pretty decent catalog. Go through there, take a look, see what you're looking for. And we just so happened to find the wheels that Pete liked for his vision of the IS, and we're about to make it come true. So we're finally here.
That's what I'm talking. Hey, wait a minute. What you got there? You got a nice little Casio. I love my G-Shocks, bro. That is God tier right there.
Yeah, my
as Nico Leonard would say, that is God tier. I have 2 of these. I love mine.
My uncle gave this to me. This was his very first G-Shock.
Bro, that is God tier watch right there. If the best watch guys in the world love Casio, we all should love Casio.
Yes, we should.
All right, so I'm gonna carry this box. So, in case you have this weird look on the video, because I'm carrying a box and the camera is on the box. All right, can we just take a moment right now to say adieu to the gray wheels, because we are going to have some really super sick brushed aluminum wheels to go on the IS.
Did you see?
All right.
They never said that we would need new lug nuts.
Yeah.
But you see this seat here versus this seat?
Yeah.
That's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work. We just need this. That's fine. That should work.
No, we need this.
We need this?
Yes. Shank style.
Okay. Well, this is shank style too, right?
This is a bowl seat.
Got it.
It's a bowl.
Got it. So this is better.
This is gonna keep the wheel center better, yeah.
Okay, perfect. We'll do that then. And then hub-centric. Oh yeah, that works. Oh, that's smooth. That's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just put some anti-seize on it.
Just a little bit.
Alright.
You know, keep it from fusing to that when it gets hot.
Mm-hmm.
When we take the wheels off or anything, we're not going to be fighting and beating on the rings.
Cool.
Everything will be golden.
Very cool. Unfortunately, we had to take care of this ourselves. But again, you know, we trusted a professional. I get it. People have days, but you know, I have days too. So I'm the customer, and so what we need to do is basically just kind of like take it into our own hands, because people don't take care of it. But whatever, it's good now. We're here now. Let's go. All right, boys. So make sure that if you have aluminum hub rings, which is what we got, you got to put anti-seize on it.
Some type of anti-seize, copper's fine.
Correct, because it will
Fuse.
seize. Yeah, it'll fuse to this
Uh-huh.
from the heat. So that helps not let it seize.
Yep.
So it'll be easier to take off.
Anytime we need to.
Guys, the front wheel is installed, but I will wait until the rear is installed on the right, on the driver's side. And I'm gonna wait for Edwin to drop it before I show you guys what this thing looks like. Oh my god. Dude, I'm looking at it right now and it's unreal. I can't wait. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god. We just dropped it. Oh, Edwin.
Looks good.
Oh my god.
Looks really good.
Oh my god, you guys ready for this? Check this out. Boom. Oh my god. Dude, that
Perfect brake
looks
clearance.
so good. What? Oh my god. Yo, boys. Oh, that is absolutely perfect. Oh my god, brushed aluminum. So that's why I kept this chrome, because that was my whole vision to begin with. Just a little subtleness, more maturity in the look of the car. Oh my god, what a big difference from the black wheels. Holy smokes. Dude. Oh my god.
We did it again.
We did it again. First the truck, the Evo, then the truck, then this. Oh my god, boys.
That fucking profile.
Look at the dish on that, boys, and the perfect flush. You kidding me right now? Are you serious? Totally changed the look of the car. What? Oh my god, that is amazing.
Just got
Sigh
a
of
little hotter
relief.
outside.
Sigh of relief.
Yes.
Sigh of relief. Me too.
Sigh of
Me
relief.
too. Definitely. Definitely. Oh my god, that looks so good. But look at the brake clearance, boys. Holy smokes. And they put a piece of paper in there. Jeez. Oh my god, that looks so good. She is beautiful. Again, this is what I was talking about when there's not a big gap between rice and nice, right? Right?
Right.
Yeah.
Classy wheels. On
Yeah.
a nice, high output tuner.
Oh my god,
good.
amazing.
We're eventually gonna put coilovers on this.
Eventually, yes, definitely. Some BCs.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah,
that.
some BCs. We're definitely gonna put some coilovers on this. But
Bring it down a little.
that's
looks-
perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And we retained all sidewalls.
Correct. Retained all the sidewall. Amazing. See, that's why you got to go to this guy. Guys, if you are in the Central Florida area or surrounding area, contact him through Instagram. At the Fitment Factory.
Yes, sir.
Link in the description. But my goodness,
We're gonna do the other side.
do the other side now. My goodness. Wow. So that's the difference. That's the difference between that and that. That is amazing. It even looks like the rear wheel is like a 20 and that's a 19, but they're square. They're 19 all the way around.
Yep, they're 19.
10, right?
8.5 in the front.
8.5 in the front.
9.5 in the rear.
9 in the rear. 9.5 in the rear. Okay, so that's.
Running stock
But the
cars
offset
is
is
plus 35 in the rear, and up front I believe is plus 30.
plus 30. Okay, so that's the specs, guys. If you guys are asking for the wheel specs, that's the wheel spec for these. Oh my goodness. All right, boys. What'd you guys think? Oh my God. Edwin did it again.
Yes, we did. We did
The man did it again. Look at that profile, boys. Holy smokes, look at that. Let me show you all that flush mount. Look at that. Oh, that's perfect. The lip, boys. Yeah, definitely. Aggressive, but still very classy. Keeping the class, baby. Keeping the class. Oh yeah. That is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. The wheels, the way, oh my God. I can't believe it. To this day, I still stand by my mantra that the single biggest thing that you can do to a car is to lower wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at that. Boys. Oh my God, I can't get over it. I cannot get over it. Man. Does your boy know how to pick wheels and tires? Does your boy know how to pick wheels and tires? Look at that. Oh my goodness, Edwin the man. See, like I chose the design and Edwin took care of the size, the offset, the way it's gonna fit. Bro, my God.
She looks really good.
She looks so good, dude. Are you serious right now? I can't believe it. I can't believe it's finally here. After delay.
We made it.
2 times delayed. But here we are.
It.
3rd time's a charm. But then again, you know what I mean? Sometimes that's the way it goes.
Yep.
But
Just like the exhaust, actually.
you're right. That's true.
You waited how long for the exhaust? 4 months?
Yeah, right around there.
4 months?
Yeah,
You called me that day and then it showed up, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
We ordered it in September.
That's right. And we got it, what, in...
January sometime?
Yeah, it was
January,
a while.
February?
It was a while.
Yeah. 4 months. I remember it was 4 months.
Yeah.
But my goodness. What? Test drive?
Well,
Oh.
go for a test drive.
All right, boys. Everything's done. Just have to get an alignment. And it's now on the rack. Just trying to get an alignment now because Edwin just wants to make sure, since we changed the offset of the wheels, that make sure that all the alignment is good. Boy, she looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, ladies and gents, I am home. I'm back home. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. That looks so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Edwin Barrios, you did it again. You did it again. Although, okay, I have to say that the offset that Edwin picked out was just a little too close for comfort for me on the brake caliper. So we actually bought a tiny little 5 mil spacer that I just put on the front wheel to clear the brakes. It was clearing, but I'd rather just, because it was razor thin, to be on there. So maybe a little bump or things like that could potentially, dislodge the wheel a little bit or whatever. You don't know what will happen. It can actually probably destroy my caliper. So now I put a little bit of a 5 mil spacer, just a little bit right here to put it out a little bit to get it home. But Edwin did order a hubcentric 5 mil wheel spacer for this specific offset. But I'll let him explain to you on the next vlog when we apply the 5 mil wheel spacer, because we did order 2 sets. We ordered a 2 mil, which is enough to basically bring it out, and a 5 mil, which is gonna kind of give me the same exact stance. I am really, honestly, liking the stance on this right now, how aggressive it looks without being too ricey, you know what I mean? Like, it's really aggressive looking. So I think I'm gonna stick with the 5 mil spacer up the front because that looks really good, you guys. So anyway, that ends the vlog. So finally, after 2.5 months of waiting for these beautiful OS mesh type wheel, that, oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that is, you guys. After 2 months of waiting, it finally got installed. And what a sigh of relief for me. So anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching the vlog, and I sincerely appreciate your support. Please continue to support the channel. I am literally 20 away from 1,000 subscribers, and since I restarted my channel again, that's all I'm after, really, to get 1,000 subscribers, just so I know I can do it. I'm not after monetization. I'm comfortable with my life. I just want to see if I can get 1,000 subscribers from there. So in any case, you guys, thank you so much. I love you all, and I just want to let you know and sincerely let you know that I appreciate you guys' support, and hopefully that you guys are having a good, solemn, peaceful Memorial Day, remembering the fallen of this country and all the brave men and women who have given their lives in the service and defense of this great nation. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I love you all. Peace out, and we'll see you on the next vlog.